So good morning. Welcome to another edition of Lexington Water Cooler News. My name is Rock Daniels and today is Thursday, April 6, 2023. So in weather today, we're going to have a high of 60 degrees and a low of 42. Humidity is going to be around 80% and there's going to have rain throughout the day. So take that umbrella out with you. It's going to clear off later on this afternoon, but the wind's going to be blowing from the northwest at about 9 miles an hour and the sun's going to rise at 7:16 a.m. and set at 8:05 p.m. So a man was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries after being shot on the 400 block of East 4th Street this week in Lexington. Now, this shooting, it occurred just a short distance from the home of the 1st District Council Representative, Tana Fogel, who has been very active and vocal against the flock cameras. Now, police are investigating this incident and say that an occupied home was also damaged in the shooting. Now, no suspects have been identified. And this is the second shooting in downtown Lexington in the last week. Now, another man was shot on Monday evening and is expected to recover. Now, Kentucky one-and-done models have taken a different turn as forward Agana Kinsley Oneso enters the NCAA transfer portal after his freshman season with the Wildcats. Now, Kentucky attempted to persuade him to stay, and he requested a transfer paperwork, and a long list of suitors are lining up for this 7-footer. Despite limited playing time in 16 games, the 7-footer, 225-pound, 18-year-old has a great deal of upside and will be one of the most highly touted transfers this year. This week is National Public Health Week, and Kentucky is shifting its focus from COVID-19 to address other issues like harm reduction, diabetes, and smoking cessation. Now, health departments are reaching out to vulnerable communities with a particular focus on African Americans and will soon be able to sell naloxone kits over the counter to help reverse opioid overdoses. A new law has been passed to ensure all middle and high schools in Kentucky have automated external defibrillators. The Lexington Fayette County Health Department will also be hosting a free diabetes expo on April 29th. Now, less than 10,000 limited edition Maker's Mark Bourbon Keeneland bottles will be featured from last year's Breeders' Cup World Championship jockeys. They will be available on opening day at Keeneland Spring Meet. Now, each signed bottle painted by Sandra Opegard and Andre Pater and Tyler Robertson will benefit LexArt's public art projects. Now, Keeneland CEO and president, whiskey maker, and a winning jockey will sign each bottle. Now, this annual release is its 26th year and is expected to sell out within the first day. So about 309 Fayette County students in Kentucky are attending surrounding school districts under a new state law that allows out-of-district enrollment. Now, according to Pupil Personnel Director Stephen Hill, this HB 563, which went into effect in July 2022, requires school districts to develop policies allowing out-of-district students to enroll. Now, Superintendent Demetrius Liggins said Fayette's policy will be based on capacity and that there is a lot of ironing out with the new law. Now, private schools in Fayette County, listen to this, have seen an increase in enrollment with the number of students rising from 4,300 in 2019 to 4,645 in 2022. Now, why are so many parents and students fleeing Fayette County's public schools? Should we be alarmed with something? I don't know. Well, that does it for another edition of Lexington Water Cooler News. My name is Rock Daniels. I am the Bluegrass Realtor for all your Central Kentucky real estate needs. Now, take a moment, if you don't mind, click that subscribe button so you and I can stay connected. Thank you so much for stopping by here today, and I look forward to seeing you again on another edition tomorrow of Lexington Water Cooler News. Have a great day.